Plastic Headshot Studios presents the Nerf Deploy CS-6. Looks like I'm out of ammo. I'll have to use my secret weapon. Surrender!
Hey, wait a second. What is that in your hand? A flashlight or a briefcase?
Actually, it's a Nerf gun.
Ah!
It's the new Nerf Deploy CS-6, which deploys at the press of a button. If you do this, and you fold it up, and then press this button and push this back up, you can surprise your friends by pushing this button. The flashlight, which doesn't have any batteries in it, so... And it also has a tactical rail, and a totally useless sight. Here. I will now compare the range of the deploy to this Maverick, which is not modded. See, it easily hits the TV. Okay, now the deploy. Here. Okay. Oh, the deploy also comes with a strap. I know, it's totally useless. One, two. 2 out of 6 shots hit the TV. What's with that? After you deploy your deploy, it's got access, which flips up. Wait. Like that. It's pretty cool. And when it's folded up, you can tell your friends it's a briefcase or a flashlight, which I don't think it looks like a flashlight. And you can even shoot with this part up. Do you think this gun is awesome?
I'm sure.
You want it for Christmas?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, Merry Christmas! It's yours!
I thought I got this for my birthday already, though.
Well, you thought wrong. Now you got it for Christmas.
Okay.
Katie, come over here. Ow. Don't shoot me with this gun. What do you think of this gun?
It's a pretty cool gun.
Come over here.
Pretty cool.
You sure?
Yeah.
You very sure?
Yeah.
Want to shoot it?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
That was fun.
Yeah, I know. He ate my fun. Here, hold this for a second. Victor, come here. Victor, what do you think of this gun? Do you think it is awesome? Do you? Yes, you do, don't you? You love it. He just wants that for Christmas, doesn't he? Oh yeah, totally him. Obtain one today to dominate your enemies.
To order your own Nerf Deploy CS-6 today, you must call 000-000-000-000-000-000. You can buy it for only $19.99 plus shipping, processing, and handling. Call now. You must be 3 or older to order.
Wow. It's not even looking at me.
Yes, it is.
You there in the 25 jersey.
Yeah?
Yeah, you. What do you think of this gun?
It's cool.
You
Is this
sure?
even a gun?
Are you sure?
Is this even a
Press
gun?
that button and you'll find out. Plastic Headshot Studios presents the Nerf CS-6. Obtain one today and dominate your enemy.